Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your JBL Pulse 5 speaker. But first, don't forget to follow this channel to see more useful content. So let's get started. First of all, we need to turn the power on the speaker. We need to find this button and press it till we hear the voice signal, until we see that the lights went up. Great, now it's on. So, in order to reset this speaker, we need to press and hold these two buttons, the Bluetooth and the light buttons. We need to hold it till we see that the lights went off. So, let's press and hold. Great, now as you can see, the speaker is reset and back to the old settings. So now in order to use it, we need to turn the power on again. And now your speaker is reset and you can use it again. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.